This next video is a quick refresh on multiplying binomials. Binomials are polynomials that have two terms. So you see in both of these examples, you have two-term polynomials. I know they're multiplying besides the directions say find the product, but besides that, in between those two sets of parentheses, there is no visible sign. That means multiply. So hopefully at some point you have heard the word FOIL for this. That's just a kind of mnemonic device to help you remember the order that you multiply this in. The F stands for the first terms. So when I FOIL, the first thing I do is multiply the first terms of each set of parentheses. 7b times 6b, remember, that is 42b squared, not just b squared. The O stands for the outside terms. That means I multiply the two things furthest away from each other. So the 7b times 1, that gives me a positive 7b. The I is the inside or the inner terms. Those are the terms in the middle. So if I multiply negative 8 times 6b, I get negative 48v. And then the L is the last term in each set of parentheses. So negative 8 times 1 gives me negative 8. Now, the most common mistake I see here is just stopping here. You've got to remember, like anything else we do, at this point, if there are like terms, we have to combine them. There really are like terms here. There happen to be like terms in the middle. They don't have to always be in the middle, but in this case they are. So if I bring down, there's nothing to combine the b squared with, so I'm going to bring down the 42b squared. My like terms of positive 7b and negative 48b, those combine to negative 41b. And then I bring down my minus 8. And then I am done. Very similar in the next one. Same idea. When I'm multiplying binomials, I do the first terms. B times 2b gives me 2b squared. The outside terms, b times negative 8 gives me negative 8b. The inside terms, negative 3 times 2b gives me negative 6b. And the last, negative 3 times negative 8 gives me a positive 24. Here again, I look for like terms, and once again, I actually do have them. They are, again, in the middle. Don't have to be, but they are, again. Nothing to combine the b squared with, so I bring down the 2b squared. Negative 8b and negative 6b give me a negative 14b, and then a plus 24.